This video will show you if the Logitech 4K Pro magnetic webcam works with your PC. The first thing you'll notice is that the warranty is only a year and it comes with two USB-C cables, a short and a long. If you look at the Brio specs, it comes with a 3-year warranty and a USB 3 cable, but not a USB-C cable. Those are just two of the differences you might want to check out before you buy into it. For this Logitech Apple XDR cam, if you're like me, I can't get a hold of one. I can't get a hold of a Brio, and so this is the only thing that I could buy, and I want to make sure that it connects to my PC. So I'm going to make a video, I'm going to take it out and hook it up to my PC and let you know if it works. So this is what's inside the box. Got a little 6-foot extension cord with a USB, I think it's USB-C, and this is the product. 4K Pro magnetic webcam. But you can see the magnetic base makes it for Apple. It's Apple's special product. My hunch is that this works for a PC, and it's the same price. And actually I kind of like the stand a little better, so let's check it out. Open it up. When I unbox it, I'll connect it to my PC and let you know how it goes. Alright, this is what's in the box. Some instruction manual, product. Looks pretty good. Little USB-C. It's got some film over the top, a couple mics. Mic here, you kind of see, and then a mic on the other side over there. Then this thing in the middle looks to be maybe some kind of a sensor, light sensor or something. And then this thing flips out, this base flips out. This thing spins. Actually pretty nice. And I think, you know, like if this is your monitor, my hope is that it'll just kind of sit there like that. You know, that's what I'm thinking. Because my monitor is metal. But if your monitor was metal, you could just put it down like that, you know. Let's see what else is in here. There's also looks like a shorty cable. So this one looks to be maybe a foot. Let's bring it over to the PC. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. One of the first things you gotta know is that both of these cables, the shorty and the long, they're USB-C and USB-C. So if you want to use them on a computer that doesn't have a USB-C, you know, it has like a standard, I think this is what is this? USB-A? USB-A, I think. You got to get one of these adapters where the C goes in here, changes this, and then you can connect it to your computer. But if you don't have a USB-C port, you got to get this little piece because it doesn't come with it. It only comes with the C cable because this goes into, I'm assuming, that Apple monitor. Okay, so I've got this thing connected up to my computer. The USB-C is going in here, and I've got the cord going into the back of my PC. It's actually it's a Dell workstation. It's running Windows 10. You can kind of see here. So let's just, and I've got Zoom open over here. We'll test it with Zoom. So the first thing I'm going to show you is that it's registered, what it's registered as, what the computer thinks it is. So I'll go into my Windows settings right here, and I'll go into devices, and down here, where does it say? Right here it says Logitech 4K Pro. Device can perform faster when connected to USB 3. So I don't even have this thing connected to a USB 3 port. It's just on my older standard, but I do have a USB 3 port which I can change over, but I just want to show you that it even works with an old port. Join with computer, start video. Here's my video. This is what I'm seeing, so I'll show you here. Oh, you still can't see. But anyway, this is the video. Whoa, we're going into a time portal. Anyway, this is what it sees. Yes, you can buy the Apple magnetic base camera and get it to work with a Windows machine and run Zoom.